siya na lang lagi nililibre, siya na lang lagi binibigyan ng pabor, lahat ng bago kanya, lahat ng pinaglumaan na aking. Ito ang sagot sa bitterness, mga kapatid, yung verse 12, 13. Anong sagot? Sabi niya, work at living in peace with everyone as much as possible, and work at living a holy life. Anong kinalaman nung be at peace with everyone and live a holy life? Tayo say kung ano, hatred and holiness cannot coexist in the same heart. Ang sinasabi ni Lord, hindi mo pwedeng sabing susunod ka sa Panginoon na meron kang hatred. Hindi mo pwedeng sabing maglilingkod ka kay Lord na meron kang bitterness. Hindi pwedeng mag-coexist. Somewhere, somehow, sometime, pull down ka nito. Kaya para maka-worship ka, makapaglingkod ka, pawalan mo na. Dahil ang tunay na nagmamahal sa Diyos, marunong magmahal ng tao. Gusto mo wala bitterness mo? Baliktarin mo. Second choice ang gamitin mo. Grace of God. Let him who has been forgiven by God forgive. Those who have been set free by God, set others free. Those who have been freed by God, those who have been blessed by God, bless others.